Hey guys! Are you want to buy best car battery charger? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best leather seat covers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noco battery charger. The Noco Genius1 is a compact yet powerful battery charger that redefines convenience and performance. At 35% smaller yet delivering over 35% more power than the G750, it's a true all-in-one solution, serving as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. Compatible with 6V and 12V lead-acid, AGM, GEL, SLA, VRLA, flooded, deep cycle, and marine, and lithium-ion, LiFePO4, batteries. It supports a wide range of vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to boats, ATVs, RVs, and classic cars. Its integrated thermal sensor ensures precision charging by adapting to temperature changes, preventing over- and undercharging. Force mode allows recovery of even completely dead batteries, while pulse charging restores sulfated or stratified batteries for longer life. With smart monitoring, you can leave it connected indefinitely without risk. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Genius1 combines durability, safety, and versatility in one compact package. Now our second product is Yonhan battery charger. This 10-amp 12V/24V smart battery charger is a reliable all-in-one solution for maintaining and restoring vehicle batteries. Compact yet powerful, it works as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, supporting all lead-acid types including AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded batteries. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawnmowers, it offers versatility and convenience. Its intelligent design features winter and summer modes that adapt to temperature, preventing battery drain in cold weather or overheating in summer. Safety is ensured with reverse polarity, short circuit, and overcharge protection. A backlit LCD provides real-time information on voltage, current, charge percentage, and mode settings, while the thermal sensor ensures precise charging. For aging or idle batteries, the repair mode uses pulse technology to revive performance. With trickle charge and memory mode, this charger keeps your battery healthy, safe, and ready to go. Now our third product is Pchh car battery charger. This heavy-duty battery charger combines durability, power, and versatility in a robust 12.2 pounds design featuring copper coil, metal, and ABS casing. Compatible with all lead-acid types, including AGM, GEL, wet/flooded, EFB, calcium, MF, and deep cycle, it serves a wide range of vehicles from cars and trucks to motorcycles, boats, RVs, and lawnmowers. With fast charge and trickle modes, it automatically detects 12V or 24V batteries and manages charging efficiently. Its repair mode revives dead batteries above 3V, while auto shut-off prevents overcharging, and maintain mode uses pulse current to extend battery life. Winter mode ensures strong starts in cold climates, and the LCD display provides clear voltage, current, and charging information. Beyond charging, it functions as a stable 12V DC power supply and supports electrolysis projects. Comprehensive safety protections and a 3-year warranty ensure reliability and peace of mind. Our fourth product is Schumacher Electric manual battery charger. This 2-in-1 battery charger and engine starter is a powerful, versatile solution for automotive needs. Delivering 200-amp 12V engine starts, 40-amp 12V boost, 20-amp 6V/12V boost, and 10-amp 12V charging, it ensures rapid power delivery for even deeply discharged batteries. The 135-minute precision timer gives users full manual control over every stage of charging, allowing safe and optimized battery management. Its 40A and 20A boost modes quickly restore charge, while the analog ammeter provides clear visual monitoring. Compatible with gas and diesel engines, it supports 6V and 12V batteries including standard, AGM, GEL, and deep cycle types. Ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and marine applications. This device combines starting power and charging precision, making it an essential tool for reliable battery performance and emergency readiness. And our last choice is Schumacher Electric fully automatic car battery charger. This advanced 5-in-1 battery device is a comprehensive solution for vehicle power management, offering starting, charging, maintenance, testing, and reconditioning in one unit. Delivering up to 100 amp engine starts, 30 to 12 amp boost charging, and 6 to 2 amp regular charging, it provides immediate, reliable power for vehicles with deeply discharged batteries. Its smart trickle charge maintains both 6V and 12V batteries safely over extended periods without overcharging. Compatible with gas and diesel vehicles, it supports standard, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries. The desulfation mode reconditions batteries, extending lifespan and restoring performance. Additionally, the built-in battery and alternator tester simplifies diagnostics, while reverse polarity protection ensures safety from accidental clamp errors. Combining versatility, power, and intelligence, this device is ideal for maintaining battery health, maximizing longevity, and ensuring reliable vehicle performance across all conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.